Late nights, me stop thinking yet. Dreams inside my heart, ain't no come up yet. I wish for peace, I wish for light, for better days and better life. Every road me walk long and hard, still I carry all these scars. But Lord, I know you hear my cry, even when I ask you why. And maybe one day, the rain will wash my pain away. Me know like losing faith tonight. God, hold me close, make me alright. I wish for this and that, for my family to never lack, for love that stays, no turning back, for peaceful days along my path. I wish for grace and truth, for stronger faith inside my youth. I pray my heart stays clean and right, God-fearing soul beneath your light. People chase the golden fame, lose their spirit in the game. But me, I want a humble life, with honest love and less of pride. Me like walk about long strap bella rot, even when the storms are hot. Cause every blessing comes from you. Father, help me make it through. When darkness falls and life feels cold against my soul, I hear you whisper through the night, hold on my child, you'll be alright. I wish for this and that, for broken hearts to heal at last, for children smiling while they laugh, for hope to rise from all our past. I wish for grace and truth, for wiser steps in all I do. I pray my heart stays clean and right, God-fearing soul beneath your light. No matter where life takes me, I still believe God sees every silent prayer, every tear, every wish. And maybe blessings no come quick, but faith keeps me breathing. I wish for this and that, but most of all, no turning back from the God who gave me life. Through every storm and every fight, I wish for peace inside, for love and faith to be my guide. And when my journey ends someday, Lord, let me never lose your way.